Alright, good afternoon guys. Tingnan natin ngayon ang Euro CHF since may incoming level 5. I think level 5 yata si Shadow ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano yung maging direction nito and paano natin level 4 pa pala, level 4 pa siya. So on the level 4 may mga 50 pips from the TP. So pag-aaralan natin yan based on data and charts as well. So if you're ready, let's go. So, Euro CHF. So, kung titingnan natin yan ng move last year, even last year, tingnan natin last year, si Euro CHF in terms of statistics, no? Lumabot siya ng level 8 once, March. Okay? And then, isasama natin ang previous year. Ayan, level 8. Pero once lang siya umabot. Meron siyang level 5, pinakamataas. And yun. So, past 2 years, kinuha niya tong level 8 na to on the forward testing. Alright, so yan yung isa, which is around the CHF pala to. Ito, Euro CHF is dito to. Yan, to. Kailan to? Yan. CHF yun level 7. Anyway, mga CHF level level ito. Level 8. Level 8. Ito nga, ito March. Mga March na yan. So, kung papansinin mo hanggang level 4 lang siya usually. Okay? So, mga level 4 to level 8 kung magtodo siya. So, since ang pip interval nito is around 20 to 25 pips, titignan na nga natin yan sa chart. Okay. So, ngayon, si Euro CHF in general is actually hovering the resistance range. So, from this area here, kung babasagin yan, since it's been really hovering for since this year, right? Since this year, from here to there, if level 4 siya ngayon, from here to there, around, magle-level 5 siya dito. Kung babasagin niya yan, the next resistance will be is around here. Ito, level 8. Ito magiging level 8 niya, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ito, mga level 8 niya will be here before it do retracement. But, if you noticed, very mean reverting si Euro CHF. Ngayon, ang isang iingatan din natin dito is, meron bang red folder that could really drive about Euro CHF, no? Economics. Yan, sorry. Ano tawag daw? tradingeconomics.com. Yan. Tingnan natin ngayon ang calendar. Okay, and then tingnan natin si countries. Clear, Euro, EU. Okay, EU and CHF. Swiss franc here. ST. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, for this week, the red folder isn't that much naman. Mga growth rate, wala na masyadong red folder. Growth rate, 5 o'clock. Wala naman masyado. So, basically for this week. So, if that's the case, kung NFP lang ang pagbasihan nito, which is tapos na, which is today, right? 2:30. Magkakaroon ng NFP sa CHF. Baka mag-TP to today. Kung mag-breakout yan, si CHF, doon natin makikita kung gaano kalakas ang maging move ni Euro against this one. Ni Euro versus the Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc. So, I assume that the level 4 or even the level 5, actually, within this range, I will still respect this as a resistance. So, will I trade this the shadow way? Pwede. But I will still be careful on the, of course, on the lot size. I will always be careful on the lot size because I can see that there is a breakout here. But that 50 pips is, 40 to 50 pips TP is okay. I can do like a cut loss din naman. Magwa 1:1 lang ako. 40 pips cut loss. And then, abangan ko ulit siya dito on this level kung puntahan nyo dyan. Kung puntahan nyo itong level na to or here. If magpo-full shadow technique ako, I'm still good as long as tama yung lot sizing ko. Especially if I'm going to pre-automate it. So, do I recommend getting it? Yes, you can get it, but of course, consider na what if mag-breakout siya, what will you do? Since may breakout on here, and candlesticks, of course, gain momentum from this range. So, meron yan, meron, no? So, meaning, I think the exit of shadow is around this area, respecting that resistance, enough to exit shadow technique. So there are three positions. First is you can do 1:1. Second, you can do full shadow as long as the lot size is proper. Third is you can do STM with the proper lot sizing intervals of Euro CHF. And Euro CHF is one of the most mean reverting based on our backtesting. Kahit Euro siya against of course, against the safe haven, based on data kasi medyo mean reverting talaga yung mga moves niya for the past 5 years, which is napaka surprising din kung tatanungin niyo. So I hope this video helps. See you on the next video pag may mga ganito, forward ko lang sa inyo. Bye bye.